Feeling overwhelmed by your data? Large tables, too many rows, too much information at once. And most of the time, they don't leave because the data is bad. They leave because it's hard to understand. Now,
What if your table could simplify it?
or better, what if your visitors could actually talk to your table? This is where FlexTable AI integration comes in. Instead of showing raw data and expecting users to figure everything out, FlexTable uses AI to summarize insights, highlight what matters, and answer questions directly from your table. All those what-if ideas, they're no longer ideas. They're already built in. So let's see how it works. First, navigate to FlexTable. Go to All Tables. Select the table where you want to enable AI. From the top navigation menu, click on AI Integration. Here you can see two options: AI Table Summary. With AI Table Summary, turn your data into a quick and smart summary. Ask AI. With Ask AI, let visitors chat with your table data. Now, before you can use any AI features, there's one important step. You need to configure your AI settings. For that, you can just click Set up AI Provider or move over to Global Settings, then AI Configuration. Here is the FlexTable AI settings page. You can see that FlexTable currently supports two AI engines, Google Gemini and ChatGPT by OpenAI. I'll walk you through both quickly. If you choose Google Gemini, which we generally recommend, you'll need to create an API key, or if you have the key, you can just paste it in the API key field. Let's assume you don't have the key. Don't worry, creating a key is simple. Head over to Google AI Studio by clicking on Get API Key. Then from the top right, click on Create API Key. Give your API key a name, and then click on Create the Key. It will generate the key. After generating the key, simply just copy the API key. Go back to the FlexTable dashboard, paste it into the Gemini API field, and click Test API. If you see a success message, your connection is active and ready. Now, if you prefer ChatGPT, the process is almost the same. Go to the OpenAI platform, click Create New Secret Key from the top right corner, give your API key a name, select a project if you have one, or you can keep it to default project. Click on Create Secret Key. That's it. Your API key is created. Simply copy it and paste it in the FlexTable API field. Your OpenAI integration is complete. Your API key is stored securely, and yes, we have no intention to share it. Your secrets are safe with us. Next, you'll select your AI model. For Gemini, you can choose options like Gemini Flash or Gemini Flash Lite. For OpenAI, you can select supported models such as GPT 4.0 Mini or GPT 4.0 or GPT 4.1, depending on your plan. Choose what fits your workflow best. After that, here comes the advanced settings. If you want a bit more control, here's what these settings actually mean. Max tokens. Think of this as a length limit. By default, it's set to 500, which means the AI won't write overly long summaries. Lower number means shorter responses. Higher number means more detailed explanations. Just set it based on how much detail you want your visitors to see. Finally, you can see a cache duration. By default, it's set to 30 minutes. This controls how long AI summaries are stored before they refresh. It helps reduce unnecessary API calls while keeping insights up to date. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy FlexTable AI. Wait, if you're not sure how to implement it on your table, check the description below, where you'll find two detailed guides on how to use both FlexTable AI features. With FlexTable AI integration, you don't just display data, you create an agent that explains it. And that's a wrap.
If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel for more feature updates like this. See you in the next video.